Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are getting the error DNS proof finish bad config when you try to open a website, don't worry. I will show you how to fix it in easy steps. Let's get started. Section 1. Restart your router. First, let's try to restarting your router. This is the box that gives you internet. Sometimes turning it off and on can fix the error. Unplug your router from the power. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds, then plug it back in. When your internet back, check the error is gone. If did not work, so no problem. Let's try something else. Section 2. Clear browser cache. Let's clear your browser cache. There's a file that your browser saves and they might be causing the problem. In Chrome, click the three dot at the top right, clear browsing data. Choose all time and make sure check cache image and file and cookies. Then clear data. Now restart your browser and see if the error is fixed. Section 3. Flush DNS cache. If that did not help, we can flush the DNS cache. This clears out all data and could be causing problems. Press Windows plus R, type cmd and press enter to open the command prompt. Type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press enter. You will see a message that says DNS cache is clear. This can help fix the problem with the DNS. Section 4. Change DNS settings. Next, we can try changing the DNS settings. We'll use Google DNS, which is free and work well. Network and Internet. And click Change Adapter option. Then right click on your connection and choose Properties. Double click Internet Protocol version 4 and click Use the following DNS server addresses and type these numbers. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Now try to again and see if that is work. Section 5. Reset network settings. If you still have the error, you can reset your network settings. Open command prompt as an administrator. NetEsh int IP reset. NetEsh is Winshock reset. This will reset your network settings and help fix the error. Now you know how to fix the DNS proof finish bad config error and get back online. Let me know which method worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.